Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric here, and in this video I would like to share with you a super simple beginner-friendly method with Clickbank affiliate marketing on how to generate your first ever Clickbank commission in the next 24 hours, make your first sale on Clickbank in the next 24 hours without actually having a website. You don't have to build a website, you don't have to use a free website, you don't have to build a funnel, you don't have to sign up for ClickFunnels, nothing like that, completely without a website. And also at the end of the video I'm going to show you a 100% free push button traffic source that you can use to start getting real visitors to your affiliate link and generate sales without actually spending a cent on traffic. So if you'd like to get started without investing anything at all, no website, not even paying a cent for traffic, then definitely stay tuned and watch this video till the end because you're going to love it. This way you can make your first Clickbank sale in the next 24 hours without a website and without actually spending a single cent on anything at all. So this works worldwide, so wherever you're from, as long as you can sign up for a Clickbank account, you can definitely generate your first commission in the next 24 hours. Hope you're going to enjoy it. Right now, let's get started with the video and the step number one. Okay, so let's get started with the step number one. Now the step number one is to please like the video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel if you like to make money online. Now the step number one is going to be to create your Clickbank account. In order to make money with Clickbank, you need to have an account there. So if you are a complete beginner and you most likely haven't even created your account, you need to go to clickbank.com. This is the website where you're going to land. Then on the top right, click on the blue button that says sign up. Now the sign up process with Clickbank is very simple and easy compared to other different affiliate networks, because other networks either require you have some kind of a sales history, so you have already generated some results online, most likely sales, and then they are going to approve you inside, or you can create an account right away, but then when you want to promote different affiliate offers, the vendors of these different affiliate offers need to approve you, and again, if you don't have any sales history, you don't have any proven track record, they are not going to approve you and you can't make any money because you don't have your affiliate link. With Clickbank, that is not the case. You can just create an account right away and start promoting offers pretty much instantly. So when you click on sign up, just fill out all these details. Now make sure to input the real details right here, because Clickbank is like a bank account, so it's going to pay you out, and if it comes to actually paying you out, they might as well send money to the right person. So all the details that you are entering right here need to be real, because when you receive your paycheck, it needs to come to you. So enter your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, password, and then click on continue to terms and conditions, and click on I have read and agreed to terms and conditions, and then click on join Clickbank. So once you log in, this is where you will actually land on. This is the new members area. On the left hand side, go to affiliate marketplace, and now you are taken to the marketplace where you can start browsing all the different affiliate products that are right here, so you can start generating the commissions. Now if you are a beginner, definitely check out all the categories, but I want to make this video super simple and short. Therefore I'm also going to show you the offer that we are going to be promoting in order to start generating commissions in the next 24 hours. So it's going to be in the e-business and e-marketing niche, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, all that good stuff. So on the left hand side, let me actually zoom this out a little bit. Go click on e-business and e-marketing. Now these are all the different affiliate offers that you can be promoting. So for example, turn text to speech with human-like voices. The average sale, average commission you are going to receive is going to be $29. Then there's this click wealth system, which is the one that we are going to go for. In this one, the average conversion you're going to receive is an $18 sale. So on average, you're going to make around $18. At the start, it's going to be like $7 for a single sale, but because there are more products in the funnel, so once somebody picks up a $7 product, they are presented with more upgrades, optional upgrades. Some of these upgrades are also going to be bought, and that's how instead of $7, you're going to receive $18 commission on average, therefore making a lot more money from the initial purchase. Then there are also some higher ticket programs that we are not going to be using right now, because in order to actually get a sale like this, you need a little bit of higher converting traffic, which is not for free. However, this video is going to show you how to make the initial budget, and then in my next next video, I'm going to show you how to actually get this high converting traffic. So for right now, we are only going to go with the Click Wealth system. It's 2020 BizUp offer, $1.95 EPC for cold traffic. You click on promote, and you're going to receive this huge window, and it says you can earn 60% commission for every customer you refer to this product. Get started now by creating a hop link. So this is where you put in your account name, so the account name that you have created your Clickbank account under. So this is very important because this is going to be your money link. If it doesn't work properly, you're not going to find it out until you start losing sales. So account nickname, in this case I'm going to put in Eric Tagi. Tracking ID is optional. As a beginner, you don't really need to track anything because the traffic sources that I'm going to show you are super simple to get started with, and you don't really need to track anything. But if you want to track different traffic sources, you can put them right here. So for example, I'm going to put their traffic source number 1 and then generate hop links, and then you're going to receive this gray window that says generated hop links, and this ugly link is going to be your money link. So we are going to copy it. We can close this window right now and head over to bit.ly.com, and we are going to shorten it just to make it a little bit better looking. So when you put it right here, you click on shorten, and now this is going to be our affiliate link, and we are going to save it somewhere so you're not going to lose it. Now if anybody is going to come across this link, they are going to click on it, they are going to be sent to the sales page of the ClickWell system, and if they're going to make a $7 purchase, you're going to receive a commission. Now the problem is how to actually get people here pretty much without any effort and without having a website. That's what I'm going to show you right now. 2 different traffic sources. The first one is super easy, it's fast, and you can get traffic in the make money online niche pretty much instantly. So head over to website udemy.com, not Udemy, that's the video course website. This is Udemy, where you can actually buy solo ads, which are essentially instant email traffic. Create your free account, so add your name, add your email, and add your password, or you can sign up via Google as well. For the sake of this video, I'm going to sign up via Google just so you can see how easy it is to do it. You just enter your Google account, and bam, now your account is going to be created, and essentially this is like a marketplace where you can buy visitors from different email lists. So when you go to this website, you click on find sellers, and it's going to show you all these different sellers. It's like an eBay, however, for traffic. And all these different sellers, what they do is they are specializing on generating traffic. They know how to generate traffic. They have a lot of assets online that are already generating them traffic, and they are selling this traffic pretty much to anyone. Now, all this traffic is make money online related, so that's why we went actually with the Click Wealth system. If you went with any other offer, let's go to marketplace and let's check out different categories like, I don't know, health and fitness. Right here, if you have chosen any of these offers and you would go to Udemy for traffic, most likely you would not make any sales, but because we have the ClickWell system, the traffic from Udemy is going to convert. So all you really need to do right now is head over to Udemy, then in the top section you want to select the price, select it to like 45 or let's go with 50 cents, click on got sales, sort by sales, and leave it just it is. Then these are all the top promoted vendors that are getting sales right now, and you can also see how much they are charging price per click. Now this one is charging 48 cents per click, and as you have seen in Clickbank, when we go back to the e-business and e-marketing, let me go there right now. So e-business and e-marketing, and we go to the ClickWell system, it says it has $1.95 EPC. So essentially you are going to be paying 48 cents per click, and you're going to be making $1.95 per click on average, therefore making $1.50 profit. Now obviously these numbers are not set in stone, it doesn't need to be just like this, but this is the offer average, so it can be better or it can be worse, but I would expect like 50% of this to be actually true. So 195, around 95 cents EPC, which is still good. So if you're going to send traffic to this offer, you should be profiting without any problems. So all you have to do is just go to, let's say, Joe 1, 48 cents per click, 54% of his customers are generating sales from his solo ad traffic. So you click here, and then you select how many visitors you actually want to purchase. So you can get as low as 50 visitors for just $27, or you can go as much as 500 visitors for $243. Now all you have to do, again, copy your affiliate link. Now go to Udemy, link only, you put it right here, paste it, you add to cart, and you pretty much get instant traffic. And tomorrow when you wake up, or actually when the traffic is delivered, because it's going to take some time to actually deliver this traffic, you are going to see sales. So this is the method number one, and right now I'm going to show you another push button method, but that's completely for free. Okay, so the website is called Hercules.com. All you have to do is go to Hercules.com, create a free account. The sign up is pretty straightforward, just like Udemy, just like Clickbank. You enter your name, enter your email, add your password, and you're pretty much in. Now Hercules is essentially a 100% free traffic website where you can sign up and you can instantly mail the members of Hercules completely for free with any email that you would like. Now don't worry, you don't have to write this email. We are going to get this email for free, and I'm going to show you how. But first let me show you how to use Hercules. So once you sign up, there are going to be a couple of optional upgrades that you can go for that allow you to mail even more members. But if you are getting started, you don't have to pay for any of these. They are very cheap, like $3 or $7 per month. They will allow you to get even more traffic. But if you want to do this completely without any investment, just go with the 100% free version. Then anywhere on this page, click on your account, and you want to go to the add mailer. It's also on the top right here. So click on add mailers, and you're going to be taken to this page. Now there are a couple of ads showing on this website, just like right here. Then you want to just click on continue to add mailers and ignore these ads, because they are going to be popping up. That's how the website is making money, and that's how it can be actually completely for free for beginners. Then you scroll down and you go to regular mailer right here, and now we need to enter our email. Don't worry, you don't have to write it yourself. I'm going to show you how to actually get it for free. So again, you go back to the marketplace, you're going to find the Click Wealth system, and you click on the affiliate page right here. Now it's going to take us to the affiliate page, which is a resource page for people that are promoting this offer. What you want to do is you want to scroll down at the bottom of this page, and you want to click on this link that says click here if you have already subscribed, so you don't have to enter anything right here. And now we are at the affiliate resource page, and as you can imagine, this page actually has the emails custom tailored to the ClickWell system that you can just copy and paste and start generating results pretty much right away. So there's email swipes, make money online niche, better converting, 7 of these better converting email swipes, and you can use any of these. So I'm going to go with the email number 5. So subject, your $500 per day profit system. You just copy it, and now you're going to go to the Hercules, put it into the subject line. This is the subject line. Now test URL is going to be our affiliate link right here. So you put it right here, and now let's go with the HTML right here. Again, go back to the ClickWell system affiliate page, and you want to copy and paste the entire body of the email, and you want to paste it right here. Also, you want to edit it so it's going to look a little bit better. So if there are any blank spaces, just delete them, and also make the text a little bit bigger, so in the inbox it's going to pop off and people are going to read it. So hey name, I'm sure there are some customizations we can do. So first and last name tags, we want to use this. This is going to pretty much add name of every member, and you don't have to write it yourself. So hey first name is going to change to hey and name of every member that's going to open up the email, which is going to just increase in the conversion rate because they can see their name in the email. And also we are going to add it into the subject line. So first name dash your $500 per day profit system. Then the body, hey first name, what if today I can show you an easy way to generate $500, $1,000 or even $5,000 online. And the truth is the 63-year-old grandmother is already making over $5,000 for just an hour of work every day. Don't believe, see the results here for yourself. This is where we are going to add our affiliate link. So go back to Bitly, copy it, and now you're going to highlight this page, highlight this text, and you're going to add your link. So it's right here. You add it right there, and now we are going to add little arrows to it so people can actually see it. Chat soon, and you add your name if you want to. I am going to do it, Eric Taggy, and now all you have to do again is just click on submit the ad, and this way you're going to get 100% free traffic to your affiliate link. And tomorrow you can check out your Clickbank account, and there might be actually a couple of sales in there already from just the free traffic. Now, that being said, this is the free traffic. There's a lot of members receiving a lot of emails, so the free traffic is not going to be as effective as the paid traffic from the Udemy. But if you are a brand new beginner and you don't want to invest a single cent into the traffic, you don't want to pay for anything, then just go ahead, create a couple of accounts on Hercules and submit a couple of these ads per day, and eventually you are definitely going to see some results and see some sales. And then what you gotta do is just take those profits, either enjoy them or take the profits, reinvest them back into the paid traffic and see even bigger results. But as you can see, my ad has been successfully submitted to 109,758 members, and that's it, with just push of a button. So this is how simple it is to generate your first ever sale on Clickbank in the next 24 hours. If you'd like to get more videos, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you can be notified about my upcoming videos, and also let me know in the comment section below what you would like to learn more about in the future so I can make those kinds of videos. Other than that, thanks very much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.